Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to huddle in Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, huddle is simply the audio calls or simply the calls of Slack. So basically to start a Slack or a Slack huddle, all you will be needing to do is to simply go to any specific channel or to any specific conversation, and from there you can simply start a huddle. So as you already find or see, there are already like my huddles. Like this is some kind of a history or some kind of a huddle management. So basically, you can create a new huddle, and we can name it whatever. So let's just start by name. So you will need just to search someone. So you can start like calling, and then you click on start huddle, and then you can like call this specific person, or you can simply start Huddle in a channel, and basically all the members of this channel would be able to join this huddle. So let's just start a huddle. As you can see now, we have started a huddle, and basically you will be able to use your video, use your microphone. You can share your screen, add reactions, do whatever you'd like. So I'm just going to leave, and or you can simply go to this channel, and from here you would find already Huddle. So let's just have more, and either you can like start inviting people to a huddle, or simply wait for someone, or you can start inviting people to this huddle, etc. So simply this is or those are the ways on how you can start like huddles in or audio calls or simply calls in Slack. So thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.